Her name is all too familiar. Katrina, the storm that ravaged New Orleans.
You always hear about the doomsday storm. Well, this was it.
She left in her wake around 1,300 dead, hundreds of thousands homeless, and one of the most vibrant cities in America drowning and nearly destroyed.
Wherever she went, she was going to have an impact. This was a large, powerful hurricane.
In Katrina's wake, there are also questions. With improved hurricane forecasts, was the storm a predictable disaster? Who knew?
We were pretty convinced that it was just a matter of time.
I knew I was right. I knew that it could happen.
And who refused to listen?
We had a number of officials who basically scoffed at us.
Almost surrounded by water, the city is protected by levees and walls. Were these overwhelmed by an unprecedented storm, or simply not up to the job?
The concrete structure would just push laterally like the blade of a bulldozer.
Who would ever think the levees would fail? It's just something I never, in my wildest dreams, thought I would ever see or could ever happen.
With more violent hurricanes predicted, is Katrina a taste of what's in store for the future?
This season has taught us that we had better be ready for intense storms.
We can protect ourselves, but only if we understand the storm that drowned the city. Up next on Nova.
Corporate funding for NOVA is provided by Google. Major funding for NOVA is provided by the Howard Hughes Medical Institute, serving society through biomedical research and science education, HHMI.
And the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by PBS viewers like you. Thank you.